Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thanks for joining. Today I'm going to be doing my January Boxycharm unboxing. For those of you that don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription service for $21 a month. They give you 4 to 5 items. Most of the time are completely full size. Sometimes there are little sample sizes, but I still think it is 100% worth it. Every single box that I have received, I have never been disappointed. I'm probably gonna be a charmer for life, 100%. If you guys did want to sign up to receive these boxes, I will leave the link in the description box below. I am super excited for next month. There have been some spoilers. I'm thinking we're getting a brush set, and I think there is also the Cover FX shimmer veils, which I was going to purchase, but I was like, oh wait, if it's in next month's box, I'll get it then, and then I'll try them. But anyways, if you guys wanted to see what was in this month's box, then just keep watching. Last month I did get an email notifying me saying that for January's box, I was going to be getting an extra item because in December they sent me a repeat product. And they normally like to tell you that they will not give you repeat products, but if they do give you an extra item in the next month, which I think is awesome. Great on them. That is great customer service and everything. So I got another highlighting palette, which I'm giving away to a friend. So this month I'm pretty sure I will have an extra product, and I will let you guys know what item that is. So let's get started. So once you cut the tape and open up the box, this is what it looks like. This month it does come with 2 little cards. This is the Rock 2018 for January, and it does tell you on the back here all of the products. And then, oh, this is a little ingredients list for the Dr. Brandt item, which I think is nice. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full-size items it looks like, and let's get started. So I am going to talk about the product that did fall out of the box first. This is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So it says on the back here, for all skin types, it is illuminating base. Apply on a clean and moisturized face. Use alone for a natural balance of light on the skin or underneath makeup to prep your skin for flawless application AM or PM, which I think is cool. So I'm just gonna try it. So it does have kind of like a peachy color to it. Oh, it smells citrusy and a little bit like earthy. Oh wow, you can see it right there. You definitely can get some glow to that. I think that would be so pretty. Definitely leaves kind of like a dewy finish on the skin there. Let's see what the card says. It says, Luminizer Primer delivers a natural radiant glow while blurring pores and imperfections for a beautifully illuminated, flawless complexion. This is full size and retails for $38. So this item alone already pays for your box and then some. I don't even understand how they do this. Like, it's amazing. I also love Dr. Brandt, so that's the first one. Next up, I'm gonna go for this big guy because it's a palette. Is there another palette in there? Oh my god, we're getting spoiled. So this was actually one of their spoilers from before, and this is the Crown Pro eyeshadow palette, and this is in called Glam Metals. Oh my god, the packaging's so cute. The mirror is a guitar. It doesn't completely fold all the way back, but you probably could eventually bend it. And those are what the colors look like right there. Absolutely stunning. Definitely don't know if I will completely use this palette, as I normally don't use a lot of these colors, but it definitely will get me out of my comfort zone. There are some nice golds, some blues, some pinks and purples, so I think this is totally cool. So let's get some swatches going. I'm gonna go for Rebel, Pop Rock. They are very powdery, by the way, so far, and Punk. Like, there's some kickback you can see there, but oh my gosh. Please don't mind the horrible swatches, but those are beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, stunning. I'm loving that like copper and this green. I'm loving that green. That's so pretty. Don't think I have anything like that in my collection. I think this is such a great item to put in a box. Like, you're getting a full size palette with 9 eyeshadows. I don't think I've ever used any eyeshadows from Crown either, so I think this is really exciting. So it says here, Crown Pro Glam Metals Palette. Rock your look with the Crown Pro Glam Metal Eyeshadow Palette. These highly pigmented, ultra blendable shadows make smoky eyes look like a breeze. And this retails for $25. Super excited to try that. I cannot wait to get these on my eyes, and I'm excited to see how they perform because I know swatches and actually applying on your eyes are 2 different things. So super excited to try those. Next up, I'm gonna go for this guy on the side here. Ooh, this is Galactic. I have not tried a Galactic item. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So this is their matte lip paint in maybe Posh, I'm not too sure. And it is in Posh. The packaging is like this frosted glass with this gunmetal top and pink writing. So this is a liquid lipstick like it said. Ooh, it has that vanilla frosting. Oh my gosh, look at that color. That is stunning. This is so light, like lightweight, like the formula felt like air. That is totally a me color. Love this color. Cannot wait to get this on my lips. Totally me. Super excited to try this. Like I said, I don't have anything from Galactic. So it says, one of the original liquid lipstick formulas that is still true to its words. It's lightweight, long-wearing, non-cracking, and won't settle. For better application, do not apply with a lip balm or lip primer before. That's cool to know. It retails for $23. I wonder if we all got the same color. If you got this, comment down below what color you got and let me know if we all got the same one. Super excited. Totally agree with it saying lightweight. Like that literally felt like nothing. Like I felt like I wasn't applying anything on my hands. Love the color. Let's see how quickly it dries and I will let you guys know. Next up, I'm gonna go for this box. Oh, I used to wear this. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil, and this is in Universal Taupe. This was my first high-end eyebrow pencil ever. Oh my god, so funny. It is still in the same packaging. You have the product on one end and the spoolie on the other. I like how they say Universal Taupe, but like you never know. Very harsh, like really hard to get the product to go on. It is a twisty top to bring up the product. That is the color right there. I definitely don't think that's universal, but you can definitely press harder to get more darker and you can press lighter obviously to get a lighter color. I think that might work for me. I give or take if I use my Gimme Brow and stuff with it, but I am so excited to have this back in my collection. This brings me back to like high school days. Like this was my first eyebrow pencil I ever got. So it says here, developed with plastic surgeons, IT Cosmetics #1 best-selling award-winning eyebrow pencil is infused with brow-enhancing biotin. Wow, a bunch of ingredients. To give you your most beautiful natural-looking brows, even if you have none at all. Plus, its universal transforming shade adjusts to all hair colors based on pressure. Its exclusive oval tip mimics the look of real hair and includes a built-in grooming spoolie brush for polished perfection. So like I said, push darker, gets darker, lighter, blah blah blah. And I'm so excited to have this back in my collection. So next up, I'm gonna grab this guy, which I think is Makeup Geek. Yes, it is. This is Makeup Geek Full Spectrum Eyeliner Pencil. Ooh, it says Plumera, so I'm assuming it's kind of like a deep purple. Ooh, super pretty. Haven't really tried Makeup Geek's eyeliners before, so I wonder what, wow. It's like a really deep purple. Ooh, super buttery. Pigmentation is, wow, I am blown away. That's great. Definitely enhance a lot of like plummy looks, like putting this under the waterline and having just like, I think bare eyelids. I love that look. So that's what it looks like there. Super pretty. I definitely don't have anything that is like this color. So I'm excited to have this in my collection, and I love Makeup Geek. I love all their products. So I'm excited to now try their liner. So I guess that was my extra product because it's not on the card here. So like I was saying before, last month I received a repeat product, so they would tell me this month that I get an extra item, so that's awesome. I don't even know how much it is, but I am super excited to have that. And last but not least, here is the Pure Bronze and Brighten. Oh, it's a cheek palette. So it says Dreamer Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. There's Blush and Go, Afterglow, and Mineral Glow. So let's see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my gosh. There's like a bright coral. Oh, there's a thing on it. A bright coral, like a really nice highlight. Like I'm excited for that. And like kind of like a bronzing one. Don't know if I'll use the bronzer because there's definitely shimmer in it. But oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. I don't think I've used anything from Pure other than their lashes and something else, but I'm super excited for this. So let's get some swatches. So they definitely kick up some product. You'll be able to see right there the product. So pretty. Don't know if I would really use it for a blush as it's like really, really coral. Does it not remind you of, is it Napoleon ice cream? Like literally. That brown is definitely too bronzy for me. Definitely will not use that. That light middle color is speaking my name, like so pretty. And the coral one, I don't know. I have to see how it applies on the cheeks, but those are really pigmented. Like I am out of this world. Wow, like holy crap, Pure, that is amazing. So super excited to play with this guy. It says here, an on-the-go highlight, bronzer, and blush palette with 3 skin perfecting powders to create an effortless and sun-kissed glow on every skin tone. Featuring Pure's fan favorites Afterglow and Mineral Glow, along with the new blush shade Blush and Glow. Throw this in your bag and you're ready to go. Retails for $34. So I totally can see where they're coming from, where it's like a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush. Definitely don't agree if that will go for all skin tones, as that bronzer, look how dark that is compared to me. I wonder if they have, like if this is like a light, a medium, and a dark kind of thing. And I'm super excited to have this in my collection. I can't wait to play around. And I'll let you guys know if the bronzer or if the blush is way too pigmented or whatnot for that. So these were all of my items this month in my Boxycharm, and my box retailed for over $144. $144, that is amazing, and I only paid $21. I highly recommend, if you guys are not signed up for this, to please sign up. You will not be disappointed. Link will be in the description box below. I think this is great for someone who's getting into makeup, or someone who wants to expand their makeup collection, or doesn't really know, you know, what they're wanting to do or what they like or whatnot. So I highly recommend this box. I think it outbeats Ipsy. I think it outbeats Birchbox, which isn't available in Canada anymore. And to me, like, this is amazing. I love this box so much. Like I said, I only paid $21 and it retails for $144. It's crazy. Let me know down below what you guys got in your month's box, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button down below, and I will see you in my next video.